Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these plaid nails. So I have my nails filled, prepped, and ready to go. And the first color we're going to start off with is Kira Sky's Hot Chocolate. This is a nice deep red that has a brown undertone to it. And so I'm going to paint this on all of my fingers, and I do 2 coats of this color. And now I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Fire Breather, which is this beautiful fiery red glitter. And I'm going to put this on my middle finger as well as my thumb. And now to start the plaid, I'm going to take Light Elegance's Plus One, which is a kind of medium navy type of a shade, and I'm going to take my Light Elegance's Oval number 4 brush, and just using the width of that, I'm going to create 2 stripes going horizontal and 1 going vertical down the nail. And I do keep this color on the thin side because with plaid you definitely want that depth and dimension, and so this color I wanted more sheer. And I just use a clean it brush dipped in acetone to help straighten out those lines. Now I'm going in with Madame Glam's Navy Blue, which is a dark navy blue. I'm going to take my Midi Burns brush in Minty Zero, my favorite detailing brush, and I'm going to go in and fill in the boxes where those lines connect, just to deepen the blue color in that area. And now taking Beamy Beauty Box's Gold Leaf Gel, I'm going to create a stripe going down the long blue stripe, and I'm also going to create another one going sideways on the first blue stripe. Now taking Madame Glam's Perfect White, I'm going to create a stripe going down in that space where the blue stripe isn't. So with that big chunk of red, I'm going to create a white line going down, but I'm going to make it seem like it's underneath the other stripes, if that makes sense. And then I'm also going to go in and do a white stripe on the bottom blue stripe, but I'm going to make it look like it goes behind the gold stripe. And now it's time for top coat, so I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here's how my nails came out. They are super simple to do, but that glitter gives it a pop, and then the plaid element gives it a little bit of a design to it. So this design is perfect for fall and for winter, depending on what color schemes you go with, but I really enjoyed how this red paired with the navy and the gold. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!